In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to your Hostinger website builder. Whether you're managing a team or simply need to share management capabilities with a colleague, knowing how to add an admin is crucial for efficient website administration. Let's dive right into it and make this process as seamless as possible. First off, let's head over to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hostinger.com to navigate to the main page. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. Now take a look at the upper right corner of the Hostinger dashboard. You'll see an icon labeled Account. This is your gateway to managing various facets of your account, so go ahead and click there. Once you open the account menu, look for an option called Account Sharing. This feature is embedded right within the dashboard to facilitate collaborative work. Click on Account Sharing to proceed. This will bring you to the settings where you can manage who has access to your site. In the next screen, you'll spot a button that says Grant Access. This is the key to giving someone else admin privileges. Let's click on that to move forward. As you may notice, the option to grant access appears twice on the screen, which might be a little confusing, but don't worry, you'll want to click the Grant Access button again. Now that you're in the Access Grant settings, you're going to need the email address of the person you wish to add as an admin. Make sure you have that handy and type it into the provided field. Next, you'll see an option that specifies what role you want the new user to have. Since you're aiming to add an admin, you'll select the admin option here. This will ensure that the new user has the ability to manage the site's settings and services. It's crucial to define what level of service management they require. You'll see a choice to select whether they can manage certain services associated with your account. Click on the appropriate setting that meets your needs. Finally, you'll reach the point where you can finalize the process. Have a quick review of everything to make sure it looks right. When satisfied, hit the Grant Access button. And there you have it. You've just added a new admin to your website on Hostinger. This streamlined access ensures that whoever you choose to add can assist with managing your site as needed. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.